but I wanted to talk to you about when I go hunting. I'm a saddle hunter, most of you may know. When I go hunting, I always carry my Thermacell. These do really well I've seen them do really well if you are in a stationary position. So like walking out in the woods, it's not really going to give you that dome of coverage that they talk about because of the wind, you're walking out of the dome. But like when I'm in my tree stand, I can basically put this right there and it does keep a lot of the bugs off of you at the time. I know some people, oh, smell the deer are going to smell it. I don't know if they do or not, but if you're set up positionally correctly with the wind in your favor, you should be okay. But that's not why we're here. I love this one. This one really works well. Got a belt clip, I can hook it onto anything, but it runs on these little tanks, which go into the bottom of this unit. You stick them right into the bottom. Unscrew that one, put the new one in there. I've heard of people refilling these things, taking out the check valve in here on the tip. If you do that, that's fine. But this one works really well. You just basically turn it on, and then you hit this, and then you'll hear a little click in there. And if you listen to it real quietly or closely, you'll hear it start up. And how it repels the insects is this little pad in the front. Get that out of there for you. If you have the other one in there already, it'll come out easier. You got a new one to put in, but these are the little pads that you just basically put into this little groove there, and it heats up that panel, and then it basically starts doing what it's supposed to do. So we're just gonna shut this off. No batteries needed in this one. And I'll put it back in its pouch. But why am I here today? So I came camping last night, and I didn't want to hook this one up. I wanted to try this guy out. You take it off the can here real quick. Sorry I can't do an unboxing for you, but this is what it is. This guy right here. Hopefully you can see that. Basically from Thermacell again. This one has a 15 zone coverage just like the other one did. But what's nice is it comes with 4 of the little packs, and these are what they look like. I burned up one last night, so we're going to put a new one in there now. But you get this 4 packs, and you also get in here my alarm to wake up. Get a nice little pack to carry this baby in. And then, like I said, you got 4 of these Thermacell packs. And we're going to open up one. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put in. Basically, this is your Thermacell little pack. You're just going to rip it, take it out. There it is. And all you do, you can see I've got an old one in there from last night. Just going to push this one in its place. Take that one out. You can discard that. And then what's nice is this one runs on the tank. If you're out, camping and you're already cooking with this, with your jet boil or whatever one else you have, you can just use this tank and screw it onto the top. That simple. Then you've got the on-off switch here. Flip it to the on, and then you've got to turn it on, you're going to basically flip this switch right here. And you'll hear it. And there's a little area you'll be able to see inside there that you can see the glowing. That heats up that metal pad there. I know the sun's getting harsh here, but heats up that little metal pad there, which heats up that product on the little tab. And then it basically will create like a 15-foot dome, like they kind of show you here in the picture. But I'm going to tell you, I had this on the table last night while I was setting up. I was out kayaking for quite a while, so I got back here to the site a little later than I wanted to. So I set this up on the table because the mosquitoes were crazy. So I set this up on the table, and it did a great job of keeping the mosquitoes away from me. There was no wind, so it really was getting out there and not biting me at all, which was good, because as soon as I got here, they started to try and bite me, but I set this baby up right away, pulled it out of the package because I got it just before I left. But it really worked well. So guys, if you're thinking about something for camping, this one really worked well. I'm just gonna tell you, from what I've seen from the first day of using it, it works great. I know it's not a lot of time to use it, but I have used these quite a while out in the woods, and they do a really good job also. Nothing's perfect for getting rid of the little pesky mosquitoes, but best thing is just a good stiff wind will keep them off you. But all right, guys, I will see you later. I think my food is just about ready in 1 minute. So I'll see you guys later. Hopefully that helps you out. If you're thinking about something for camping, this thing is really a good idea. I want to say, I'll put the price at the bottom. I want to say it was like $38, something like that. Pretty cheap compared to a lot of the other ones that are out there. You don't have to recharge this. There's no batteries at all. Just put it on one of your tanks, turn it to the on position, flip this up, and you are good to go. All right, see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.